Hey y'all, welcome back to the party. It's your girl BrittReacts, and today we are reacting to a kind suggestion to Elvis, Kentucky Rain. Let's see what he has to say.
Seven lonely days and a dozen towns ago, I reached out one night and you were gone. I don't know why you'd run, what you're running to or from. All I know is I want to bring you home.
Okay. I actually have an opportunity not to lose it over a live performance and just hear the vocals and have this nice montage of photos. I love the you home. Even without the visual of him performing, you can feel his energy. It's like you can visualize, even if these photos weren't here, I could visualize him on the stage because he was so big on stage that I think that speaks to just how awesome he was. I could close my eyes and listen to him sing and feel like I know what's going on because everything he has comes out of that voice. Everything. Ugh.
So I'm walking in the rain, thumbing for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I've loved you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go, never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I'll be walking through.
I feel like so much has happened with the music after the boom boom, Kentucky rain, down, walking. The music changed a little bit, slowed down, the tempo changed, and walking through. So much just happened after the boom boom of the drums. He sounds amazing. What else do you guys want from me here? What do you want? Are you waiting for me to say something negative? It'll never happen.
With the rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain. Oh.
With the rain in my shoes, searching for you in the old Kentucky rain, rain. That's love.
In the cold Kentucky rain. Oh yeah, in the cold Kentucky rain. Showed your photograph to some old gray bearded men sitting on a bench outside a general store. They said, yes, she's been here, but their memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No, wait, the day before.
The cracks of his voice. Don't y'all hear the longing in his voice? The desperation that comes through when he sings is all the passion. Also, can you imagine Elvis in Kentucky just showing people a picture of a girl walking through the rain, shoes wet, feet wet, hair wet? I can. It's so believable to me. I feel like anything he can sing the alphabet and I believe him. You know what I mean? A, B, C, D. I believe him. It's so believable.
Finally caught a ride with a preacher man who asked, were you bound on such a cold, dark afternoon? As we drove on through the rain and he listened, I explained, and he left me with a prayer that I'd find you. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down.
This is where the change happens. Dun-dun-dun.
Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I'll be walking through.
There's so much happening in that. I guess it's the pre-chorus, or is it is it a bridge? Is it pre-chorus, or I don't know, but so much happens in that little bit of time.
The town that I'll be walking through.
Walking
with the rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain. Oh yeah, in the cold Kentucky rain.
Woo, Rick.
Oh yeah, in the cold Kentucky rain. Oh, in the cold Kentucky rain.
Ooh. Ooh.
Right?
I never heard him
I had a
yell like
record
that
out
before.
Last year, this year, wasn't it? That did pretty good for me. I'd like to sing it for you.
And the old Kentucky rain. That was delightful. That was really good. The music, the instruments, the composition, the arrangement was really cool to me. I love like the tempo changes. The melody kind of was a little chaotic. That was great. What else? What else do you want from me, guys? I heart Elvis. All right. Go and have the day you deserve. Peace.